Every woodworker has been there. The cut is perfect, the piece looks great, but somehow it just doesn't look right. Too dark, too yellow or too red. You want it to look natural, like there's nothing applied at all. That so-called invisible finish. But it's not as simple as putting on any clear oil. All woods react in their own way. Even small changes can make a big difference. In this video we show you why this look is so tricky and how you can nail it every time. Here's the thing, any oil makes wood look wet. Light woods get warmer and turn yellow. Dark woods get too rich, sometimes too rich. And red woods, they can turn really red. And even pros can predict how wood will react. That's why the invisible look, wood that looks untouched but still protected, is more like an art than a formula. For example, let's take our oil plus 2C. Many people think pure or natural will give that invisible finish, but here's the catch. Natural has a slight beige white tone, perfect to cancel out yellowing on light woods, but not neutral on everything. Pure has no pigment at all, but it still deepens the wood a little because of the oil wettening the wood. So neither one is 100% invisible. If you pick the wrong one, your oak can go too yellow or your walnut too dark. Take light woods like oak. With pure, they often turn yellow, but that's not what you want. How do we fix that? Just use a white or beige pigment. We recommend smoke 5%, white 5%, natural or mist 5%. That keeps the wood looking raw but still protected. Dark woods, they react differently. Using white or beige tones can make dark wood look milky. In this case, it's better to use a clear oil like pure, or dark oils like walnut or black to keep that natural deep shade. So what about red woods? Our clear oil pure can make the red pop too much. Instead, go for warm, brown, red tones like Arabica, bourbon, mocha. These shades balance the red and keep the look refined. Time to see this in action. Now here's a piece of oak. On this side, I'm going to apply pure. On this side, I'm going to use mist 5%. See how only using pure makes the wood look warmer, while using mist 5% keeps it natural. Let's grab a piece of walnut. Same thing here. On this side, I'm going to apply pure, and on this side, I'm going to use white. See how applying pure preserves that deep dark tone, but white is giving this milky effect. And lastly, we have a piece of Padauk for you. I'll apply pure on this side. Now let's see what using bourbon does on this slab of Padauk. Bourbon clearly balances those red undertones. Notice how these small color adjustments can create a huge difference in the so-called invisible finish. Choosing the right shade is only one part of achieving an invisible finish. Let's go over some common mistakes and how you can avoid them. Start by sanding and preparing the woods properly, so you can have an even result. Less is more. A small amount is all you need. Oil plus 2C is a powerful product. You only need one coat, and always take away any excess with a clean cloth. Match your color to each wood type. Start with a small test patch and see how your piece reacts. We offer samples, so you'll never have an excuse to not test out the color first. Your application technique matters. Using the right tools makes a big difference. We have every tool you need. Always respect the dry time. Oil plus 2C is ready after one coat, but give it time to settle before you judge the final look. The invisible finish isn't magic. It's knowing your woods, picking the right shade and applying it right. Oil plus 2C comes in 40 colors, so there's a shade for every project. You can protect wood without losing its natural beauty and go for the color opacity that best matches your vision. So, to sum it all up, invisible is not a color, it's a match. It's about testing and fine-tuning. Ready to try it out yourself? Go to rubiomonaco.com, get your samples and start creating your perfect finish. Remember, invisible doesn't mean pure or natural, it means finding the perfect match for your wood.